Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson we have learned vowel harmony in Tulu. Today we are going to learn Sandhis in Tulu. Sandhi means joining or junction. It refers to the combination of two sounds that sit next to each other. In Tulu, there are three types of Sandhis: lōpa, āgama and ādēśa. Please note that I am using IAST script to write Tulu words in this lesson. First let us see lōpa Sandhi. Lōpa Sandhi means Sandhi by loss. The short final vowel of a word is elided due to the following word beginning with a vowel. This happens particularly often when that short final vowel is half O. Examples: illu plus ettu, illettu. Reach the home, illettu. Alu plus olalu, alolalu. Where is she? Alolalu. Undu plus enchina, undenchina. What is this? Undenchina. Aru plus attu, arattu. Not him or not her. Arattu. Neeru plus ijji, neerijji. No water, neerijji. Mittu plus undu, mittundu. It's on the top, mittundu. Kendu plus aandu, kendandu. Done with listening or asking. Kendandu. Nikku plus attu, nikkattu. Not for you, nikkattu. Jalu plus adipu, jaladipu. Sweep the courtyard, jaladipu. Lōpa Sandhi can also happen when the short final vowel is U or E, mainly when these two vowels introduced for vowel harmony. Examples: undu plus enchina, undenchina. What is this? Undenchina. Undu plus a, unda. Is it available? Unda. Portu plus aandu, portandu. It is late or time is over. Portandu. Tudu plus aandu, tudandu. Done with seeing. Tudandu. Nikulu plus attu, nikulattu. Not you people. Nikulattu. Akulu plus olleru, akulolleru. Where are they? Akulolleru. Uru plus uru, ururu. Different villages and places, or village to village. Ururu. Ijji plus a, ijja. Not available. Ijja. Vanji plus a, vanja. Is it one? Vanja. Vanji plus vanji, vanjanji. Each one or one by one. Vanjanji. Aji plus aji, ajaji. 6 each. Ajaji. Kichi plus attu, kichattu. Not jealousy or not fire. Kichattu. Nanji plus aandu, nanjandu. It became poison or felt jealousy. Nanjandu. Kempu plus aandu, kempandu. It became red. Kempandu. Bulpu plus ijji, bulpijji. No light. Bulpijji. Dombu plus attu, dombattu. Not sunshine. Dombattu. Kelavu plus aselu, kelavaselu. Some wishes. Kelavaselu. Kajavu plus ijji, kajavijji. No rubbish. Kajavijji. Badavu plus apandu, badavapandu. Feeling hungry. Badavapandu. The Sandhi may also happen with the final A vowel when this is not considered as essential part of the word and if it will not change the meaning of the word. For example, when the final A is the vowel of the genitive case suffix or adjectives or adverbs or conjunctions, etc. Examples: Illuda plus ulai, illudulai, inside the house, illudulai. Ayana plus illu, ayanillu, his house, ayanillu. Uruda plus ade, urudade, towards the village, urudade. Bareda plus ire, baredire, banana leaf, baredire. Maratta plus ottugu, maratottugu, with the tree, maratottugu. Ninna plus ishta, ninnishta, your wish, ninnishta. Elya plus onji, elyonji, a small one, elyonji. Apaga plus itte, apagitte, he was there at that time, apagitte. Kuda plus oriye, kudoriye, another person, kudoriye. Ponaga plus era, ponagera, while going someone, ponagera. Tunaga plus ittijer, tunagittijer, they were not there when someone saw, tunagittijer. The sandhi may also happen with the final a vowel sometimes, if it will not change the meaning of the word. Usually it happens when the final a is the vowel of the infinitives. Examples: Beta plus onji, betonji, different one, betonji. Podige plus ijji, podigijji, no fear, podigijji. Makta plus ora, maktora, once again, maktora. Now let us see examples with infinitives. Poyere plus undu, poyerundu, have to go, poyerundu. Barere plus aiji, bareraiji, could not come, bareraiji. Leppere plus itte, lepperitte, I was about to call, lepperitte. Pariyere plus at, pariyarat, not to drink, pariyarat. When the second word begins with a vowel, then the final vowel a of the first word will be retained and the first vowel a of the following word will be elided, except infinitives. Examples: podige plus at, podiget, not fear, podiget. Malle plus at, mallet, not big or no problem, mallet. Ella plus a vandu, ella vandu, may not possible tomorrow, ella vandu. Edda plus at, eddeth, not good, eddeth. Edda plus and, eddand, felt good or good thing happened, eddand. Itte plus at, itteth, not now, itteth. However, in other cases, sandhi will not happen when the final vowel is a. Examples: Koda plus ondu, kodai ondu, where is the umbrella? Bele plus ijji, bele ijji, no work, no job. Tara plus undu, tare undu, coconut tree is there, tare undu. Okay, now let us see āgama sandhi. Āgama sandhi means sandhi by coming, that is by arrival of an additional consonant. Happens when a connecting consonant is inserted between two vowels. Usually, if the preceding vowel is E, A, I, the connecting consonant is Ya. If the preceding vowel is U or O, the connecting consonant is Va. Examples: Ini plus at, iniyat, not today, iniyat. Ini plus ijji, ini ijji, it's not available today, ini ijji. Ori plus ulle, ori ulle, One person is there. Variyulle. Sari plus er. Sariyeru. Who is correct? Sariyeru. Mari plus ondu. Mariyondu. Where is the snake? Mariyondu. Aye plus attu. Ayattu. Not him. Ayattu. Rame plus ijje. Rama ijje. Rama is not there. Rame ijje. Bhime plus ulle. Bhime yulle. Bhima is there. Bhime yulle. Ade plus ode. Ade ode. To where there. Ade ode. Kai plus attu. Kayattu. Not hand. Kayattu. Kai plus undu. Kayundu. Hand is there. Kayundu. Dai plus olpa. Dayolpa. Where is the plant? Dayolpa. Eru plus attu. Eruvattu. Not buffalo. Eruvattu. Guru plus ijjeru. Guruvijjeru. Guru is not there. Guruvijjeru. Paru plus undu. Paru undu. Teeth are there. Paru undu. Madu plus ittundu. Maduvittundu. Had an axe. Maduvittundu. Gadu plus aandu. Gaduvandu. Term is over. Gaduvandu. Tulu plus encha. Tuluvencha. How is Tulu? Tuluvencha. Poo plus ari. Poovari. Flower and rice. Poovari. Maru plus attu. Maruvattu. Not the tree. Maruvattu. Maru plus adu. Maruvadu. Having became a tree. Maruvadu. Satya plus ijji. Satyavijji. No truth. Satyavijji. Artho plus undu. Artho undu. Have meaning. Artho undu. Dharma plus itti. Dharmavitti. That which has virtue. Dharmavitti. Sukho plus ondu. Sukho ondu. Where is happiness? Sukho ondu. Kano plus etu. Kanovetu. How many dreams? Kanovetu. Okay, third one is ādēśa Sandhi. ādēśa Sandhi means Sandhi by substitution. Occurs when the second of two words that combine begins with an unvoiced plosive consonant. It will be changed to the voiced consonant of the same group. Most of the words in which this type of Sandhi occurs are old compounds and we don't see much examples for this Sandhi in Tulu. Examples: Bara plus Kala, Baragala. Time of famine, Baragala. Are plus Kala, Aregala. Summer or off season, Aregala. Vesha plus Kala, Veshagala. Summer, Veshagala. Kali plus Kala, Kaligala. The age of Kali, Kaligala. This Sandhi may also occur when the final vowel of the first word is U and the following word begins with Pa or Ba consonant. The Pa or Ba changes to Va. Examples: Iru plus Pattu, Iruvattu. 20, Iruvattu. Su plus Batti, Suvatti. Lamp and wick, Suvatti. Pudu plus Baru, Puduvaru. New paddy, a feast with new rice after the harvest, Puduvaru. Oru plus Baro, Varuvaro. Once, Varuvaro. Iru plus Baro, Iruvaro. Twice, Iruvaro. Tiru plus Bailu, Tiruvailu. A place name, Tiruvailu. Oru plus Balla, Oruvalla. A measure of volume, Oruvalla. Kiru plus Banji, Kiruvanji. the lower belly, Kiruvanji. Kiru plus Bala, Kiruvala, a small knife, Kiruvala. Okay, that's all we had for the day. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.